Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your second lecture of English grammar. In our first lecture, we learnt two different rules of the alphabetical order. Let's see what will we learn here in this lecture. Revise the previous knowledge means I will explain briefly both the rules which we had learnt in our first lecture. Then today I am going to teach you two more rules of the alphabetical order. Then we will see the examples according to the rules. Then I will give a hint for the lesson. And then I will give an exercise for your homework. Before we are moving on today's topic, I would like to revise both the rules which we had learnt in our first lecture. The rules are, the first rule is, if the first letter of all the words are different. It is very easiest rule of the alphabetical order. And the second rule is, if the first letter of all the words are same. It is also very easy. Now here, today we are going to learn two more rules of alphabetical order. Let's see what is the third rule of the alphabetical order. If the first two letters of all the words are same. We already learnt if the first letter of all the words are same, then what can we do and how do we arrange them? And here we have first two letters same, and how do we arrange them? We don't know. Let's see with an example. Just read these four words: marigold, May, master and magic. Whenever you read the words, you have to observe how many letters of the words are same. Can you observe the first letter of all the words are same? Yes. Then we are moving on the second. Now observe the second letter of the word. Can you observe all the second letter of the word? Yes. Are they same? Yes, they are same. So now we get first two letters of the words are same. Now what can we do and how do we arrange these words in alphabetical order? Let's see. Whenever you get first two letters are same in all the words, you are moving on the next letter of the word, means third letter of the words. And which are they? R from marigold, Y from May, S from master and G from magic. Now we have four letters. First of all, we underline the third letter of the words and we have these four letters to compare them. Now think about that sequence in alphabetical order and put them in the answer as per their sequence. Now tell me, which is the first letter comes in the sequence? G, then R, then S and then Y. Okay. Now tell me, what is the first word of the answer? Magic, then marigold, then master and then May. Let's see the answer. Magic, marigold, master and May. Now let's see one more example for it. Just read these four words again. Announce, angry, ankle and answer. Can you observe the first letter of all the words? Are they same? Yes, they are same. Now you can observe the second letter of the word. Can you observe the second letter of the word? Yes. Are they same? Yes, they are also same. So we get the first two letters of the words are same. Now what can we do? Yes, we are moving on the third letter of the words. So first of all, we underline the third letter of the words, means N from announce, G from angry, K from ankle and S from answer. Now we have these four letters. Which are they? N, G, K and S. Among these 4 letters, which letter comes first in their sequence? Just think about it and write their answer as per their order. Now tell me, which letter comes first in order? Angry, then ankle, then announce, and then answer. So what is our answer? Yes, first word is angry, ankle, announce, and answer. I hope you will understand this rule properly. Now we are moving on the next rule of the alphabetical order. Let's see what is the fourth rule of the alphabetical order. If the first 3 letters of all the words are same. Now we already learnt about if the first letter are same, if the first 2 letters are same in all the words. Now here we have first 3 letters are same. Then what can we do and how do we arrange them in alphabetical order? Let's see with as an example. Just read these 4 words: king, kin, kindle and kinship. Okay, and as I told you, whenever you read the words, you have to observe the letters which are same. Can you observe the first letter of all the words? Are they same? Yes, they are same. Are the second letter of the word? Can you observe the second letter? Yes. Are they same? Yes, they are same. Now we are moving on the third letter. Comparing the third letter, observing the third letter. So, N. Which is the third letter? N. And can you observe the third letter of all the words? Yes. Are they same? Yes, they are same also. So now we get the first 3 letters of all the words are same. Now what can we do? Whenever we get the first 3 letters of all the words are same, we are moving on the 4th letter of the words. And which are they? G from king, E from keen, D from kindle, S from kinship. First of all, we underline them. Now we get the first 4 letters. Which are the 4th letter? G, E, D and S. Okay. From these 4 letters, among these 4 letters, which letter comes according their alphabetical sequence? So you have to arrange them as per their sequence and then you have to write them in a order. So tell me, which letter comes first? D, then E, then G and then S. Okay. So what is the first word of the answer? Yes, kindle, then king, then keen and then kinship. Very good. Now you can understand how to arrange the words if the first 3 letters are same in the word. Okay. Now let's see one more example for it. Read these words again. Dental, den, dents and denim. Okay. As I told you, have you compared the letters? First letter? Yes. Are they same? Yes, they are same. Second letter? Can you compare? Yes. Now, are they same? Yes, they are same. Now, third letter. Third letter are also same. Now, what can we do? We are moving on the 4th letter of the word. And what are the 4th letter from the dental? T. What are the 4th letter from den? There is no 4th letter because the den is a 3-letter word. So we cannot do underline any word of the den. Now we are moving on dens. So what are the 4th letter of dens? S. And what are the 4th letter of denim? I. So first of all, we underline them the 4th letter of the words. So T from dental. We don't have 4th letter in a den. So we don't underline any of the word of the den. Okay. Now we are S from dens. I from denim. Okay. Now first let for one thing clear is that the den is only 3-letter word. So the first word of the answer is den, because the den has no fourth letter of. So we are going to write den in the first position of the answer. Now rest of the 3 words, which are dental, dense and denim. So we are going to compare them and put them in a second, third and fourth position of the answer. So tell me again, what is the first word of the answer? Den. And then we have to compare T, S and I. So which word comes in the second position? I. Means denim. Then dense and then dental. Now just see the answer: den, denim, dense and dental. I hope you will understand this topic properly. Now I will give a hint of the lesson. Means whenever you arrange any of the word in alphabetical order, you have to compare all the words from the first, second, third and fourth. Whenever you arrange the words in alphabetical order, you just compare the first word. If the first word are different, then you can solve it easily. Okay? Whenever you want to arrange the words in alphabetical order and their first letter are same, then you can moving on the second letter of the word and you arrange them as per their sequence. Okay? Now whenever you get first 2 letter of all the words are same, then what can you do? You will go on the next letter of the word, compare them and as per their sequence you write the answer. But whenever you get first 3 letters are same, you will moving on the fourth letter of the word. But there are lots of words that they have 4 or 5 or 6 letters same in all the words. Then what can we do that time? When we find the first or more letters are same, then we compare the next letter of the word. It is the hint of the lesson. I hope you understand all these topics properly. Thank you. Have a great day.